How to verify your age on Google Account 2025. Have you ever tried to watch a YouTube video or download an app only to be stopped by an age restriction warning? It's a common frustration, but there's a quick fix. Today, I'm going to show you the official, secure way to verify your age on your Google account in 2025. This process not only unlocks restricted content, but also ensures, hey, if you ever try to watch a YouTube video or download an app only to be stopped by an age restriction warning. It's a common frustration, but there's a quick fix. Today, I'm going to show you the official, secure way to verify your age on your Google account in 2025. This process not only unlocks restricted content, but also ensures your account remains compliant with the latest global safety regulations. Google requires age verification to ensure that users are accessing age-appropriate content across YouTube, the Play Store, and Google Pay. If your account isn't verified, you might find yourself locked out of key features. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the two official methods Google provides, using a government ID or using a credit card. Both are safe, encrypted, and usually take less than 2 minutes. Step 1. Access your Google birthday settings. Start by opening your browser and going to myaccount.google.com. On the left-hand menu or the top tabs on mobile, click on Personal Info. Scroll down to the Basic Info section and tap on Birthday. If Google needs you to prove your age, you'll see a link here that says Verify Your Age. Click that to begin. Step 2. Choose your verification method. You'll be presented with two choices. Method A is using a government ID. This is the most common path. Method B is using a credit card. Choose the one that is most convenient for you. Step 3. Verifying with an ID. If you chose the ID route, you'll need a valid passport, driver's license, or national ID. Google will ask you to take a clear photo of the document. Make sure you're in a well-lit room and there's no glare on the card. Once you upload it, Google's automated system will scan it. Don't worry, Google typically deletes this image after your age is confirmed. Step 4. Verifying with a credit card. If you prefer the credit card method, simply enter your card details. Google will place a tiny, temporary authorization on the card, usually around $1. This isn't a permanent charge, it's just to prove the card is active and belongs to an adult. The authorization will disappear from your statement within a few days. Step 5. Confirmation. Once you've completed either step, stay on the page for a moment. You should see a confirmation message saying your age is verified. You might need to refresh your YouTube app or browser for the changes to take effect across all your devices. Pro tip: if you are a parent setting up an account for a child, don't use your own ID on their account. Instead, use Google Family Link. This allows you to verify your age as the manager and then officially supervise their account. This keeps their data safe while giving you control over what they can and can't see. And just like that, you've got full access to your Google account features. If this video helped you get past those restricted screens, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips to keep your digital life running smoothly. If you ran into any errors during the upload, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.